Good evening and welcome in this learning platform Learn Knowledge. This video contains the third part of the chapter Motion from class 9 Physical Science. So let us start our today's class. In the previous class we have discussed about distance and displacement, and we came to know that distance is a scalar quantity and displacement is a vector quantity. So what is uniform motion? Uniform motion is defined as the motion of an object in which the object travels in a straight line and its velocity remains constant along that line, as it covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, irrespective of the length of the time. In simple language, we can say when a body travels in a straight line with a constant speed, then the motion of that object is said to be uniform. In this type of motion, the object covers equal distance in equal interval of time, since the speed is constant. Let us take an example. Let's say a train is traveling to Delhi and it covers the same distance in the same intervals of time, like in the first hour it covers 90 km, in 2 hours it covers 180 km, in 3 hours it covers 270 km, and in 4 hours it covers 450 km. That means the train is covering 90 km per hour. प्रति घंटे 90 km कवर कर लेता है. That means the speed of the train is constant. So here we see that the train travels equal distance of 90 km in each hour, so it is said to be moving with uniform motion. In the case of uniform motion, if we plot a graph between distance and time taken, then we will have a straight line like this, and the slope of this graph gives the speed. Here x-axis is taken as time and y-axis is taken as distance, and the graph obtained is a straight line passing through the origin, and slope of the graph will give us the speed. The straight line indicates that the speed is constant. So whenever you are asked to draw a distance time graph for uniform motion, you have to draw like this. You have to take distance towards y-axis, time towards x-axis, and you have to draw a straight line passing through the origin. This will be a graph for uniform motion. Let's know what is non-uniform motion. If a body covers unequal distances in equal intervals or equal distances in unequal intervals, then body is said to be having non-uniform motion. Simple words, when a body travels with a variable speed, that means speed is not constant, then the body is said to be in non-uniform motion. In this case, the body will cover unequal distances in equal intervals, or it will cover equal distances in unequal intervals. Let us make this more clear with the help of an example. Let us take this example when brakes are applied to a speeding car. In this case, the car travels 40 km in first hour, in 2 hours it covers 65 km, and in third hour, that means in 3 hours, it covers 115 km. Let us split the journey in equal intervals of time, and we are taking the interval as 1 hour. So in this case, in first hour it covers 40 km, in the second hour it covers 25 km, and in third hour it covers 50 km. That means the time interval is equal, but the distance covered is not equal. That means the car is in non-uniform motion. If we plot a graph between distance and time in this case, then we will obtain a curve like this. The graph will not be a straight line here. As it is non-uniform motion, then the graph will not be a straight line. So we can conclude that in case of non-uniform motion, the graph will be a curved line. Let us distinguish between uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion implies the movement of a body along a straight line with steady speed, that means constant speed. And non-uniform motion alludes to the movement of an object along a straight line with variable speed. In case of uniform motion, the body covers equal distances in equal interval of time. And in case of non-uniform motion, the body covers unequal distances in equal time interval. In case of uniform motion, the average speed is equal to the actual speed of the object, but in case of non-uniform motion, the average speed is not equal to the actual speed of the object. In case of uniform motion, the distance time graph shows a straight line, but in case of non-uniform motion, the distance time graph is a curved line. In case of uniform motion, the acceleration is 0, but in case of non-uniform motion, acceleration is not 0, that means non-zero acceleration. Later on, we will discuss about the acceleration also. Let us define speed. Speed is defined as the total distance traveled by the object in the time interval during which the motion takes place. In our lower classes, we have defined speed as speed equal to distance covered by total time taken. Same here only, speed is the total distance traveled by an object divided by the time taken to cover that distance. Here SI unit of speed is meter per second and the formula is speed equal to distance traveled by time taken. S is taken as distance and T is taken as time taken. Let us take a quick view of the mind map of speed. Speed are of two types, uniform speed and non-uniform speed. In case of uniform speed, the body covers equal distances in equal interval of time. But in case of non-uniform speed, the body covers unequal distances in equal interval of time. Speed is a scalar quantity, so it has magnitude only, it doesn't have any direction. And speed is defined as the distance travelled per unit time. SI unit of speed is meter per second. It is quite difficult to get the speed of a moving body at every instant. So we have to calculate the average speed. How to calculate the average speed? Average speed equals total distance travelled by the object divided by total time taken to cover that distance. For today's class, up to this, in our next class we will discuss about acceleration and its types. So thank you for watching. Best of luck. Before leaving, today's thought: make your day better by kindness and peace. That means you can make your day better by your kind behavior and maintaining peace. This will bring happiness in your life. So thank you. Have a nice day.